If you're looking to move beyond family camping trips in a tent, there's a trailer option that can make that jump a little less jarring, both in size and financial commitment. Studio 5's Chelsea Fairborn takes us inside.
There's still plenty of time to get out and soak up those last couple weeks of summer sun. I'm here with Parris from Parris RV with a great option to take your family out on the road, out in the great outdoors.
Yeah, what a great deluxe, super cool fold down. It's a 2021 Rockwood. It's a 277 high wall, and basically what that means is it's a high wall tent trailer. So it's got a little higher wall than the standard folding trailer, but what a great option to take your family out and go camping.
And this is a more compact option that for those that may be new to this or kind of wary about what they need to tow it, that this is a really good versatile option.
Yeah, so this trailer weighs 3,200 pounds, and what I love about folding trailers is, you know, when they're folded down, you can see over the top, see around it. If you've got a small little SUV or something, it's easy. You know, you're heading up Parley's, you're in the left-hand lane, you're not watching the temperature gauge in the right-hand lane of your vehicle. So, you know, it's only 14 feet, but then when you get there, it expands and goes to 27 feet. It's got a king bed on one side, queen bed on the other, great big U-shaped dinette and a slide out. So tons of room on the inside, plus you really don't give up a thing in something like this. It's got air conditioning on the roof, it's got hot water, it's got a shower, it's got a toilet, it's got an inside you know, kitchen with a stove and an oven and a nice sink inside. But, you know, also check out this exterior kitchen out here. If I got a choice of cooking on the inside or the outside, I'd rather cook out here underneath my awning. What a great place to hang out and socialize.
Right, you've got that inside that's covered, the outside that's covered. What are some of the specific bells and whistles, if you will, that are out here that are going to make that outdoor experience even better?
Well, you know, again, you got an awning for shade, so you can pull that out. You've got a nice LED light here to light it up at night. You've got a sound system on the inside with inside speakers, outside speakers.
Cool.
Turn on some music, sit out here and barbecue. You've got a two-burner stove here. You've got a sink with hot and cold water, and what I like about this is if your kids are on the outside here and they need to wash their hands, rather than walk in and use the inside kitchen, why not just clean up right here?
And how many people can it sleep on the inside? So you said that this is for families. What does that look like?
Yeah, so they're sleeping for 3 on each side on those heated mattresses, which is pretty cool. Thermostatically controlled in the trailer, but each side has a heated mattress that'll sleep 3. And then that great big U-shaped dinette will fold down and sleep another 2. So really you've got sleeping for 8, again in a 14-foot box that expands to 27 feet with great big windows.
If somebody wants to come and see this model or tour something similar, where can they go?
Yeah, Parris RV has 2 great locations in Murray on State Street. This particular one is at our North Murray location, which is 4360 South State, or just shop online at parrisrv.com.
Okay, thank you so much, Brett. Back to you in the studio.
Hello, heated mattress. Chelsea, thank you so much. Brett, thanks as well. That looked great.